Galaxy S25 Edge vs iPhone 17 Air. Did Samsung just mess up? The Galaxy S25 Edge and iPhone 17 Air have just leaked, and honestly, Samsung, what are you even doing? Let's get straight to it. The S25 Edge is a strange phone. On one hand, it boasts ultra-level specs like a 200MP main camera, a titanium frame, a ceramic back, and an incredibly thin design. But on the other hand, it comes with major compromises, especially in battery life and camera performance. Now that pricing has been revealed, it's clear that Samsung may have outplayed itself. Apple just made them look overpriced. According to Android headlines, the S25 Edge will cost €1,200 to €1,300 for the 256GB model in Europe, and upgrading to 512GB will cost even more. That means in other markets, the phone could easily cross $1,100, putting it in S25 Ultra territory. Meanwhile, Apple's iPhone 17 Air is expected to start at just $899. Yes, from Apple, the company known for overpricing everything. And yet, somehow, Samsung looks greedier this time. Is the iPhone 17 Air the better deal? Some might argue that while Apple is selling a single-camera phone, the S25 Edge at least has dual cameras. Fair point. But at least Apple has priced the iPhone 17 Air accordingly. The big question is, who would pay €1,200 plus for the S25 Edge when its only standout feature is how thin it is? Most people are just going to slap a case on it anyway, so what's the point? In the US, leaker Ice Universe claims the S25 Edge will be priced similarly to the S25 Plus, $1,000, but Apple is still undercutting Samsung by a few $100s. Unless Samsung reconsiders its pricing, bringing the S25 Edge down to $899, it's not looking good. Battery life. Another Apple win? Here's where it gets worse for Samsung. Just like the S25 Edge, the iPhone 17 Air will have a smaller battery. But according to Mark Gurman, Apple's battery life will still match current iPhones thanks to high-density battery cells. If Apple manages to deliver great battery life with a smaller battery while Samsung struggles, this won't end well for Samsung. Apple's failed attempt at a portless iPhone. One last thing. Apple originally wanted to make the iPhone 17 Air completely portless. That means no USB-C, no charging cable, just wireless charging. Not for innovation, but to force users into Apple's expensive MagSafe ecosystem. So why didn't they do it? Not technical issues, just the EU. Regulators recently forced Apple to ditch Lightning for USB-C, and another legal battle wasn't worth the risk. But make no mistake, this is just a delay, not a cancellation. Apple is still waiting for the right moment to kill ports entirely. Final verdict: get the S25 Ultra instead. If you're considering the S25 Edge, just get the S25 Ultra instead. It's a far better phone in every way, and Samsung is offering a $300 discount if you don't trade in, bringing the price down to $999. Check the description for links, and if you haven't seen it yet, watch my brutally honest S25 Ultra review. Click here, and I'll see you there.